Hi, this is Jim Brisson for ScoutRoom.net. I'm going to talk to you today about wikis. Wiki pages are private web pages. If you look in the mega menu under private web pages, there's View Wiki Pages, show the wiki. And I'm showing Troop 513's wiki because they've got a collection of web pages here. Web pages are a lot easier to use than documents simply because they can be organized hierarchically, the way these are. Press the plus or minus sign to see what's underneath. Service hours has a lot of pages, of course. Service hours is so complicated. The web pages are organized hierarchically. They can have links, pictures, whatever. You don't have to open up a collection of documents and spread them across your workspace to look across a number of pages. So, the second benefit is that they're very easy to create. Let's look at one to see all the things you can do. Let's look at beat achievements here. We have a way of giving it a You can have headers. Headers can be multiple sizes. Ordered list, unordered list, tables, paragraphs. Basically, you can have a nicely formatted document. Now let me show you how easy it can be to set this up. Maybe let me just show you this document itself. Let me show you the source for this. All right. Paragraphs are separated by blank lines. I mean, you just type in the paragraph. Very easy. Ordered lists have a blank line before them, a blank line after them, and a space after the number dot. Okay? Easy enough. Tables, they look a little funny, but they've got this, you see the word, it's separated by an or sign. Another word, that's the title, that's separated by these dashes. And then each column is separated by the or sign. It's actually pretty easy. Headers, you can have pound signs. So the more pound signs you use, the smaller the header gets. So 2 pound signs, it's a pretty big header. 1 pound sign, it's a really big header and it's a different color. 5 pound signs, it's getting pretty small. All right, so you can organize the headers that way. So that's all it took to create this nice document. You can do more. Let me show you this example page and edit this. To specify that a page, the hierarchy, basically you say who the parent is for any given page. And any subpage can be a parent as well. So you can have this, I think I allow you to go as deep as 6 or 7 levels. After that, I just say that's enough. And that means ScoutRoom won't let you go more than 7 levels. Okay, so headers, as I said, 3 or 4, whatever number of pound signs. Ordered lists separated by blank lines and a space after the number. 3 or more splats in a row makes for a line, draws a line across the page. You can have sub-items by indenting, and the indent symbol is a greater than sign. So you can indent, and you can indent multiple times if you want to. Paragraphs, just blank lines. Okay? So that's the basic idea. You can edit pretty quickly this way and create a very nice web page. Let me show you one other thing. The help pages themselves are a wiki. So very same setup as the wiki pages we just looked at. And of course, the help wiki has wiki help and examples. So headers and so on, what's interesting? Well, there's a table page, right? And you see the source for this. You could do worse than to come in here, if you wanted to create a table, copy this and start replacing it. If I were you, that's what I would do exactly. I just come here, copy this table, maybe add a few more columns if I wanted or whatever, but I would use that as a start. You can have images. So the page you come up with can look pretty slick. Doesn't really need to, but it can be very powerful to have a wiki to document how you work. The pages are updatable by anyone, and there's an RSS feed to follow any changes, so you can keep track of who's making what changes when, if you really want to. Wiki pages are very cool. You really should use them for your unit to document how you work. It really is the best way to do that, not in files so much. So I recommend wikis highly. Thanks for listening. Jim Brisson for ScoutRoom.net.